Oh, good morning to all my dear students. Today we will study LCM. Okay. Do you know what is LCM? LCM means lowest common multiples. Do you know what is LCM? LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number of the multiples of each number. Once again, you listen. Lowest common multiples of two or more number is the smallest number of the multiples of each of the number. Means we can say that smallest common multiples, whatever the common multiples we get, in that smallest one is the lowest common multiples. Okay, now to find LCM, we have three methods: common multiples method, time factorization method, and division method. First we will study common multiples method. Okay, LCM by common multiples method. Suppose we have three numbers 4, 8 and 12. We need to find LCM by common multiples method. See, multiples of 4 we need to find 4, 8, 12. Means to find the multiples we need to read tables 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 40, 48 and so on. Now multiples of 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64 and so on. And multiples of 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and so on. Now see here, which one is the common in all, which number is the common in all 4, 8 and 12 number. Okay, see here, 24, 24 and 24. 24 is common in all the three number 24. After that 48. These are the common multiples we are finding, and many more common multiples we can find. Infinite common multiples we can find in three numbers. But now we need to find the LCM. Common multiples we get. Now LCM. LCM is lowest common multiples of 4, 8, 12. Whatever the lowest number we find in the multiples, that lowest number is a lowest common multiple, that is 24. Means we can say that the LCM of 4, 8, 12 is 24. We find this LCM by common multiples method. This is the common multiples method. Now we will study prime factorization method. Second one, prime factorization method. Now see here, again the example is same. LCM of 4, 8 and 12. Separately we find the LCM. Separately we do the prime factorization. Do you know what is prime factorization? Prime factorization is a number which is expressing as a product of prime number, prime factors. We to find the prime factorization we need to express the number and the product of prime factors. 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay. 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 12. 2 6 2 3. Now LCM of 4 2 into 2. See here, we are expressing this in the product of prime factor. That is the prime factorization. 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 12. 2 into 2 into 3. Now here we need to write all the numbers. Like whatever the number common in all the 3 or 2, we put it as a 1. See here, 2 is common in all the 3 numbers. So while finding the LCM of 4, 8, 12, we put it as only 2, 3. And listen, 2 is again in all the 3 numbers, so we will write here 2 again. And 1 in 8 there is 2 more, so we will write 2 again. And in 12 3 is there, so we need to write 3. Means we can say that all the number we have to write, whatever the number repeated in other number, that will be written in one time only. Okay, so the LCM is 24, what we get in the common multiples method, and that is also 24. Now it is also again 24. Okay, get it? Now we will study division method. It is a simple method. Now we will use this method. See here, third process is division method. Again, the number we will take same, 4, 8 and 12. Finding LCM by division method, 4, 8, 12, but we need to do it same way. Okay, two is common in both, so we will divide all the 3 number by 2. This one is 2, and when we divide 8 by 2, that is 4. When we divide 12 by 2, that is 6. Now again we will divide these 3 numbers by 2. 1, 2, 3. Now all the numbers are prime number, so we will just multiply these numbers. LCM of 4, 8, 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to 24. So that's it. LCM you understood, and if you have any problem, you may ask me anytime. By any means, you can ask me by WhatsApp, by calling, whatever the means you need.